Hi, this video is to show you how to combine two lists of different format, one in PDF format and the other one in CSV format. We're gonna put them both save them in the same folder, and we use a single folder path. Before we start downloading these documents I have used them in my previous two videos, and those two documents has inconsistent headers. So first, before we download them, we need to map these headers and to help in appending the two lists or tables. So for one of the document, which is the CSV file, has got full list of the headers, and this is for the TF list, which is the PDF one, has got only those two headers. So we'll try to match these headers together so that when we append them, it will be appended correctly. So MPI ID number will change it to site ID. ATF code will change it to site ID. Risk measurement type, we change it to sector. And this one hasn't got this header, so we added one. We have to add one, and we name it as sector, and the sector will be transitional facility. Here, operator business name, will change it to company name. And here, facility, will change it to company name. Physical address will be address, and here will be the same address, no change. Physical town, city, we change it to city, and this one we don't change it, we keep it as it is. So this is what we're gonna modify the headers or change the headers so that it help in appending those two documents. Now we go and download those two documents from MPI website. So all we need to do, mpi.govt.nz, so click and then search for transitional facilities PDF format. This is a list. We'll save it in a new folder. Create a folder, a new folder. We call it mixed. And click open and open again and save. Now we have to find the other CSV document. We go food safety registers and list. Click on this one. To go directly to the list, we put Control F and then further. So this takes us directly to the list. So click on the list. Scroll and click search. and scroll to the end of the page and click download results, and then we save it into the same folder. So now we need the folder path. So we click. So these are the two documents, and we go back to the folder. So this is the folder, and we copy the folder path and we paste it into a new spreadsheet to create a table. Now we insert a table. Get rid of this. So now we got a table and create a query from this table. So we go data from table, with a simple code. We need to put folder dot files, and then here we put curly bracket and then mixed, and then close the bracket and hit enter. Now we got the two documents. First we start with the top one, which is the PDF, and we want to click on binary. And then we select the table only and tick page, then OK, and expand and remove and tick this one, and we go OK, and now we change into text, everything to text. And we promote headers because the headers are in the, we need to promote them. Use first row, and we can delete those three. We don't need those three columns. Delete, remove columns. So now this is our columns. We need to modify the name or change the name into site ID. Enter. Status remain the same. Facility, we call it company name. Company name. Enter. Address, they remain the same, and city remain the same. Now we need to add a column for the sector. Add column, custom column, and then we change it to sector. The sector name is transitional facility. create a new connection and add to data model. We can name this one rename as TFs. Now we duplicate this query. Right click, duplicate. And delete all these steps by click delete until end. Delete. Now we back to the same table and now we process the CSV file. Go binary and the promote headers, and already the format is text. We'll check the date. The date need to be changed to date format and date format. Now the headers, we need to change it. This one we need to make it site ID. Site ID. Hit enter. And we need to change this one into sector. Sector. Hit enter. Program type, no. Operator business name. We will call it company name. Company name. Operator trading name. Status will remain the same. Physical address. We keep only the word address. And we keep only the word city. This is all what we need to make changes to this one. And we change the name into food safety sites. Hit enter. Now we download. Create connection. We just double check the headers for we make the changes correctly. Site, company, address, company name, address, city, and we add a sector. Now we need to change this one into text. So sector, transitional facility, city, address, company name, status ABC. Good. Now also we can double check this one whether we made changes correctly. This is wrong. We need to make it site ID, sector, company name, status, expiry date, verification agency, address, and city. That's good. Now we append this document with the TF. We go OK. So now we got only one site ID, sector, company name, address, and city. Now these are appended correctly. So we call it biosecurity and food safety sites. And now also we don't have to download it as a table. We only need it as a connection and add to the data model. We go OK. It will be a giant list, about 11,000. 11,218, which is the total of 4,000 and 6,000. Now we can insert a pivot table, a new spreadsheet, and we will search. So we'll use this one. So we need to see the company name and city, address, we look for the sector, and then the site ID. So these are the basic information from both lists. So we go design, row, tabular form. We close this one and try to auto fit the column. So now we can see that, for example, this company, they got in Hamilton and tomorrow, and they got 3 premises, risk management program, annual product exporter, and a transitional facility for the same company. For example, another example for another company, which is, for example, Marigold. Click. It will show you the whole companies and their location, the address in these cities, and then what are these and the ID for each of the premise. So by combining them into, we can add another thing where if we are interested in the sectors, we can add to the filter. So analyze, field list, and we can add fill sector to the filter. So in this case, if we are interested, we have to release this one. And if we are interested in any of these sectors, we need to click this one. OK. So for example, if we need only the beekeeper, we can select. It gives you the list of all beekeeper and their ID. And that's it. You can play and we can change all these parameters from this list, field list. And you can design all what you need. Plus, also you can create maps if you download them as a table. And if you use them for maps as well, you can refer to my last 2 videos. Thank you.